Hello everyone, my name is Imelda Smith. Today I'm going to show you one of the traditional Filipino Christmas dish. It's called Rellenong Manok, which is stuffed chicken. And here is our ingredients. We have whole chicken here, 500 grams of minced pork. We have ham, breadcrumbs, chopped carrots. We have pickled relish, raisins, cheese, 2 eggs, butter, melted butter, hot dogs, and hard-boiled egg. First, we're gonna debone our chicken. Now we've finished deboning the chicken, we have to turn on our oven to 180 degrees Celsius with fan. Then start marinating the chicken, and so we have to use the whole lemon, about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and a teaspoon of sugar. Then we need to marinate this chicken for 3 hours or overnight. Cover it with cling film and put it in the fridge. So in your mixing bowl, you put your minced pork, your minced ham, carrots, pickled relish, raisins, cheese, and breadcrumbs, eggs, and your seasoning, salt and pepper. And mix them all together. Make sure they're all blend evenly. Now it's time to stuff our chicken. So we take the chicken out of the marinated sauce, spoon the stuffing thinly. Then we line up our boiled egg and the sausages in the middle, and then we roll this. Then tie it. But we have to brush aluminum foil with melted butter. And this will be ready to go to the oven. We need to cook it in the oven for 45 an hour, depending on the size of your chicken. So after 45 minutes, you have to take the chicken out. Now at this stage, we need to brown the skin of the chicken. We can rub a butter, and then we have to put it back 10-15 minutes. Now our chicken is brown. We just have to leave it a rest for another 10 minutes before we slice it. Now our chicken is ready to serve. And this is my Rellenong Manok. Enjoy!